What if you could create a massive library of engaging content, 700 YouTube shorts, ready to captivate your audience in less than 20 minutes? Imagine the possibilities, the reach, and the impact you could have with that volume of content. That's enough content for months, filling your channel with a constant stream of fresh, engaging videos. Instead of spending hours, even days on each video, meticulously crafting every frame and sound. With AI, this is now possible, transforming the way we approach content creation. We're talking about faceless channels, monetizable channels, ready to generate income that can rack up views, attracting a large audience and revenue, creating a sustainable income stream, all without you ever having to appearing on camera. No need to be the face of your brand. The old grind of making content, one video at a time, is becoming a thing of the past, is over. It's time to break free from those limitations. Now, you can systemize your content creation at a scale previously unimaginable, that was unthinkable, a concept that seemed impossible just a year ago. The landscape has changed dramatically. Imagine having hundreds, even thousands of unique shorts, each with its own distinct style and message, all generated with minimal effort, streamlining your workflow, ready to upload and start reaching your audience. This approach levels the playing field, giving everyone a chance to succeed. No fancy equipment required, no on-camera presence necessary, just smart use of AI tools. It's about working smarter, not harder. The key is automation. Let AI handle the heavy lifting, the repetitive tasks, so you can focus on strategy and growth. Focus on the big picture. We're not just copying viral channels, rehashing the same old ideas. We're innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, using AI to create high-quality, engaging content that truly resonates with your audience at lightning speed. The future of content creation is here. Get ready to rethink what's possible on YouTube. The possibilities are endless. Your journey to automated content success starts now. Embrace the future. Psychology facts channels exploded, but now the niche is overcrowded and stale. To stand out, you need more than recycled facts. You need a unique, interactive angle. Enter quizzes and riddles content that challenges viewers, sparks curiosity, and invites participation. With AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva, you can generate hundreds of engaging, scalable shorts that go beyond passive information. The new model is about involving the viewer, making them part of the experience, not just a spectator. Quizzes and riddles are inherently shareable and encourage comments, boosting engagement and reach. By automating both creativity and production, you'll outpace competitors stuck in manual mode. This is your edge, interactive, AI-powered content that's fresh, fun, and built for viral growth. Imagine creating 3 months of YouTube shorts in a single session, hundreds of videos, scheduled and ready to go. The secret? Automate everything: video creation, titles, descriptions, and hashtags. Quizzes and riddles are perfect for this. They naturally drive engagement, comments, and shares, all of which the YouTube algorithm loves. With AI, you can batch generate content and metadata, turning content creation into a quarterly project instead of a daily grind. This system keeps your channel consistent and visible, fueling steady growth. Each short delivers a quick dopamine hit, keeping viewers coming back for more. With a stockpile of engaging content, you're free to focus on scaling and new ideas. Before you dive in and start creating content, it's crucial to lay the groundwork for success. First, check if your competitors are monetized. This gives you a sense of the landscape and what's possible in your niche. Understanding whether others are successfully monetizing similar content can inform your own strategy. To do this, right-click a video on their channel and select View Page Source. This will open a new tab with the HTML code of the page. Don't be intimidated by the code. We're just looking for one specific line. Now use the search function, usually Ctrl+F or CMD+F, and search for is_monetization_enabled true. If you find this line, it means the video and likely the channel is monetized. This simple check can provide valuable insights. Now, with that knowledge in hand, let's generate your channel's lifeblood, engaging content. We're talking about riddles and quizzes. These are fantastic for attracting viewers and boosting engagement. Use ChatGPT to create hundreds of unique riddles quickly and efficiently. It's like having a riddle factory at your fingertips. To make your quizzes even more interactive, generate riddles with multiple choice options. This format is perfect for keeping viewers guessing and encouraging them to participate. The key to getting great results is to just be specific in your prompts. The more detail you provide, the better ChatGPT can understand your needs. This specificity is crucial for the best results. Vague prompts lead to generic outputs, so take the time to craft clear and detailed instructions. For example, instead of a simple request, try something more detailed, like generate 50 unique riddles for teens, each with 4 options and the correct answer clearly marked. This level of detail ensures you get exactly what you need. Experiment with different riddle types to keep your audience engaged. Try logic puzzles, which challenge viewers' critical thinking skills, or trivia, which tests their knowledge on various subjects. And don't forget the classic "What am I" riddles, which are always a hit. Mixing up the types of riddles will help to keep your content fresh and appealing to a wider audience. Generate riddles in batches to streamline your content creation process. This allows for easier management and review, ensuring that you maintain a consistent level of quality. Consistent formatting is crucial for automation, especially when you're planning to use scripts or other tools to create your videos. So specify exactly how you want the output from ChatGPT. Be clear about the structure, the use of bullet points, and any other formatting requirements. Always review the AI's work to catch any errors or inconsistencies. Check for clarity and difficulty, ensuring that the riddles are appropriate for your target audience. Tweak as needed to ensure quality. Refine the wording, adjust the difficulty, and make sure the answers are accurate. A quick human check now can save you from potential embarrassment or negative feedback later on. It saves headaches later, ensuring that your content is polished and professional. Once you have a clean, well-formatted list of riddles, you're ready for the next step in the video creation process. That's organizing your data for video creation, setting the stage for a smooth and efficient workflow. This is where AI does the heavy lifting, automating much of the tedious work involved in content creation, letting you focus on scaling up your channel and creating even more amazing content. After generating your captivating collection of riddles, it's time to bring order to the chaos. Organize them meticulously in Google Sheets. This is where the magic truly begins. Think of your Google Sheet as your central database, the very heart of your content automation strategy. It's more than just a spreadsheet. It's the foundation upon which your automated video creation will be built. To get started, set up clearly defined columns for each element of your riddle. First, you'll need a column for the riddle text itself, where the full question will reside. Then create columns for option A, B, C, and D. These will hold your multiple choice answers. And of course, a column for the correct answer, clearly indicating the right choice. To keep things organized, add a riddle ID or a category column. This is optional, but highly recommended for easy sorting and filtering later on. Now carefully paste each riddle and its corresponding options into a single row, ensuring that all the data for one riddle is neatly contained within that row. Pay close attention to ensuring consistent formatting across all rows and columns. Take the time to clean up any typos, grammatical errors, or inconsistencies you might find now. Remember, this step is absolutely vital. It's crucial for ensuring a smooth and error-free automation process later on. A well-structured and meticulously organized sheet is the very backbone of Canva's powerful bulk create feature. This level of organization lets you scale your content creation efforts effortlessly. As your riddle library grows, simply add more rows for each new riddle, and you're instantly ready to produce another batch of engaging videos. Remember, your Google Sheet isn't just a simple list of questions and answers. It's the powerful engine powering your entire automated video production workflow. With this systematic approach, you're not just creating content for today's audience, but building a sustainable and easily expandable content creation system for the long term. Get this crucial step right, and you'll save countless hours and headaches down the line, freeing you up to focus on other important aspects of your content strategy. With your riddles organized, it's time to design your master template in Canva. Start a new vertical design, 1080 x 1920 pixels, and focus on clarity, Your riddle question should be front and center, with options clearly below. Use consistent branding, a simple logo, channel name, and a color scheme that's easy on the eyes. Add text placeholders for the riddle, each option, and the answer reveal. Use overlays or shapes to make text pop, but keep the background subtle. Visual hierarchy is key. Make the question prominent and options easy to read. This template will be reused for hundreds of videos, so get the basics right. Once you're happy with the layout, you've set the stage for rapid professional content creation. Your template is the visual identity of your channel. Make it count. Now bring your template to life with Canva's animation and timing tools. Animate the riddle text and options have them appear with subtle effects to grab attention. Reveal the riddle first, then the options after a short delay, building anticipation. Add a countdown time of 5 to 10 seconds to create urgency and boost engagement. After the timer, animate the correct answer to appear, highlighting it for impact. Use icons or illustrations sparingly to enhance, not clutter the design. Control the timing so each short is concise. Aim for 15-30 seconds total. This sequence riddle, options, timer, answer keeps viewers hooked and encourages comments. Experiment with timing and effects to find what works best for your audience. The right pacing turns a simple riddle into a mini event viewers can't resist. With your template ready, it's time for Canva's bulk create magic. Download your Google Sheet as a CSV, upload it in Canva, and map each column to the right text placeholder. Preview to ensure everything lines up, then generate pages. Each row becomes a unique video. In minutes, you'll have dozens or hundreds of shorts, all perfectly formatted. Add copyright-free music from Canva's library or YouTube's audio library to boost energy and keep your videos safe for monetization. Adjust audio levels so music supports, not overpowers, your visuals. Download each page as an MP4, and your content is ready to upload. This is how you turn hours of work into minutes, at scale. With your shorts ready, set up your channel. Choose a catchy name, create simple branding, and write a clear description. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging titles, descriptions, and hashtags for each short. No more manual metadata. Schedule uploads for daily or even multiple daily releases. Consistency is key for algorithm growth. The YouTube Shorts algorithm rewards regular posting and engagement, so stick to your schedule. Update your visuals every few hundred videos to keep things fresh for repeat viewers. With AI-driven batch creation and consistent uploads, you're primed for rapid growth. This system lets you focus on strategy and scaling, not daily content headaches. Embrace automation and start building your faceless YouTube empire today.